The AlphaDrive browser connector enables you to use the Clio website to open files from AlphaDrive. The browser connector does require that you already have AlphaDrive installed on your computer. To install the browser connector, click on AlphaDrive and then go to Settings. In the window that appears, click on Browser Extensions and then choose the browser that you're using. I'm going to choose Chrome. Now I'm going to click Add to Chrome, and in the confirmation that appears, I'm going to click Add Extension. I can see that my extension is now active. I can toggle it on and off by clicking on the icon and then choosing the toggle. Now I'm going to open a document using the browser connector. In Clio, I'll choose a client and I will choose a matter. Now I will click on the Documents tab. Now I'm going to choose a document. In this case, I'm going to use the fee agreement. The first time you do this, you may receive a couple confirmation prompts. If you do, just allow them. Now you'll see that the document opened. If I make changes to this document and click Save, we will see that the changes are saved all the way back into Clio's cloud. If we want the files to download as they normally do, all we have to do is disable the extension. Now when I click on Fee Agreement, the file will download.